One being jealous, one being whatever, good or whatever, right? One being happy, one being sad, whatever, right? All of that stuff, right? Especially when they went into the space with dealing with the guy and all of this other stuff, which is just symbolic of who? Osiris, Osar. You feel me? Powerful, powerful build, right? Now watch this, because this is where we're gonna get real crazy. So boom. Yeah, so remember the shadow self, right? Twins, right? This is your twin. You feel me? This is where it's at. This is where the twin lives. You have this, it's not good or bad, but we're gonna just say have a a negative energy and a positive energy, okay? We'll just keep it like that. So these energies are what you're fighting every day. And I'm gonna explain it because we're gonna get real funky with this thing. Hey, y'all like and share this thing up. So now watch this shit and watch how now time works. This is how spirit communicates to you right here. This is what I'm talking about. You're dealing with your twins. The us is you, right? It's us. It's two of us. Remember I said we with the two. You feel me? Remember I said we're with what? This is about two. This is about the wisdom, right? So watch this. This is how us work. Watch how we work real quick. Boom. Chaos in the motherfucking blood. Now watch this shit, because I'm going to get real strange with this shit. Hey, y'all, hey, you're going to have to share this thing up, because I'm telling you, this is how spirit get out. Now watch. So we got twins in us, right? Which is just a reflection of who? Yourself. We got Letitia playing a twin, right? And she was June, right? Juno, which is the one of the childbirth. You feel me? So now you understand that, right? That spirit is actually communicating to you in these particular times with the goddesses, Isis and Nephthys, right? So boom. Isis and Nephthys, right? Watch this. Who was the closest to Chad or the Black Panther? This is when we get funky. Let's get funky real quick. Let's go into the dark side. Let's get into the work. You feel me? Because Black Panther represented who? He represented Heru, but then he also because it's just a reflection of Osiris, right? Like the Lion King seeing Mufasa and shit. You feel me? So he's the subconscious mind, right? Just like Isis and Nephthys dealing with their twins. You feel me? Just like Isis and Nephthys dealing with Osar. Same thing. You feel me? So Letitia and Lupita say they damn near got the same name. Chaos in the blood are Isis and Nephthys, right? Or I said in Nephthys, with Chad being Osiris or Osar. You feel me? You feel me though? Hey, you can't, I can't make this up, but watch how strange I get real quick to prove this shit. So boom, these twins, they played two twins in these particular movies, right? So you can really get the understanding of what's going on with the light and the dark, with the good and the bad, right? With you know, the energy that you're battling every day. You feel me? This is how we get out, right? So you got to understand this is a symbolic universe. I'm telling you how spirit is communicating this shit to you. You got to stop watching what I'm saying as entertainment. I get it. I'm a funny nigga and shit, right? But at the same time, I'm telling you what time it is. You're going to have to get into the work to deal with what? Subconscious mind, or implanting an idea in the subconscious mind, right? Because that's going to help you, you know, get your goal or whatever you're trying to accomplish down here in alignment. You feel me? And I did a whole breakdown when Chad died, right? That's probably one of my most popular videos when he died and how he was the Christ consciousness and shit like that. You feel me? So we're talking about energies, right? We're talking about energies. Watch this shit. Watch how strange this is going to get. So Lupita is obviously Aset, right? And Shuri is Nephthys, right? Because remember, in the mythologies, to be brothers and sisters and all of that stuff. That's why you know it's not real, because you know a brother ain't gonna have sex with a sister and shit like that. You feel me? So they're talking about energies, and they're talking about amalgamation period, so you can understand what you need to do in your story. Check. Boom. So now watch how we work. Watch how we get down, because we got to get to the good versus bad school. When does Wakanda Forever come out? Come on, man. Hey, y'all can't see the message in this shit. Y'all niggas sleep. Chaos in the motherfucking blood. You know what time it is. I'm not playing with y'all. You feel me? Hey, I'm just telling you what it is. I can't make it up. All I can do is show you what time it is. You feel me? You feel me though? 11:11, which is what? The mirroring effect. You feel me? You see, when you see 11:11, you got to understand it's a mirror, right? So you're talking about twins, right? And then you're also talking about what? The two. You feel me? Two